Hi, I want to show you how to enable and disable call forwarding on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, start by opening Phone app and here tap on three dots in the top right and then tap on Settings. Now, in the list, I want you to select Calling Accounts and tap on your SIM card right here. After that, you should see this feature called forwarding. So, here you have four options: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, or when unreachable. You can set call forwarding for each of these features or just choose one or maybe two and so on. For that, you need to tap on this section and choose phone number. Manually enter here for phone number to which your call will be forwarded in case when you don't answer. Also, you can tap on this little profile icon and set person from your contacts list. Then you need to tap turn on, and after that you will turn on this feature. To turn off, you need to select section with a phone number and tap this option turn off. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.